I would say the Castle. Me and the coach went there the first week. It was nice. A lot of people were there. They had a nice little restaurant. I didn't get a chance to go. Next time, that'll be a place I go and eat for sure. But it was just a great place. Favorite film? It would have to be either Glory Road or Coach Carter. 2 basketball films. Of course, me playing basketball. Favorite food? Chicken. El pollo, chicken. Spain, easily. Ball travel, see some different places. Spain has been great, of course, but hopefully in the future I can see some other countries, maybe Germany, some other places like that. Best moment. There's a lot. I would say for me right now, of course, it's just getting the opportunity to play overseas and do something I love and continue to do it for the next couple of years. So that's probably the best thing. I'm gonna say album, and it's Jacquees Qui Mix. That's been the most I've listened to this week. Favorite social network? It's got to be Instagram. And we continue to win.
I en quin tens millor record, sense comptar Pardinyes, que segur que és el millor?
One of the best memories is making the NCAA tournament my junior year, and then there's another memory when our center, Drew Noble, hit a 3 against Fair State. Those are 2 memories that always stick in my head. I remember those the most. Most points they ever had in one game.